Whoa! Oh! We is out here in the forest. Whoa! Oh, yes now. Let's come back and sleep there. That's us night sorted. Ride again in the morning. No, it's not worked out for me. Not trials guy tonight. Oh, to the face. Go on, Jay. Oh, roostage. Yes, now, kid. Thank you. Oh, thanks, bro. Yes, Jay. Oh, a new little gully is found here. I like it. Do you like it? First time riding up here. I can honestly say, yes now, this is sick. Yes, Jay. That was sick! Oh, yes, now. Carries on. Lovely, simply lovely. Come on, Samuel. Oh! He's buried it. Bit of struggle street for Sam. Oh, this is good. Hey up. carries on a while, doesn't it? Woo! We're on. We're on. Found a new struggle street, haven't we? But trialsy, I like it. Lovely. I think Cookie's been working on this new project for a while. Oh. Don't get too close because there's a bloody good chance of a roostage. Is it neutral as lad? Yes now. Woo! Where are we? In this jungle. Oh, Jamie's got kettle on. Yeah, he got me. Oh, go on, Sam. That's rutted, isn't it? Looks like it got us all, eh? In the ruts. Woo! This is a chew. Cleanage. Go on. Oh. Lovely. Lovely. Sam's behind me. Blinded by the light. Can't see anything. Absolutely blind. Ooh, that looks tech. Bikes it down. Oh! Just missed it.
You don't have to worry about speed, do you? Just like pot.
Yeah, just go bop 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 bop. Lugging that power. The 250 power. Nice. got no brake?
I bent my disc in that river.
Oh, it just comes on and off. Yeah, pump it. That's what happens.
Going long hills, so I pumped it. We're going down there, it was like nothing. Then it.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Shit! Yeah, had a loopy. Look at that. I mean, that's a thumbnail. I rode well that rock today, didn't it? Yeah. This is a rollover job, isn't it? Oh no. Oh, oh, it pains me. Ugh. That's all right. Woo. It's got some scars on it, that rock. That's an old track, is that one? Ooh. Oh. Oh, he's gone up there. Oh. Whoa! Holy! I nearly got impaled. Come on! Send it! Send it! Yeah! That, I think, is the end of a Thursday night extreme ride. Wasn't too extreme. It's quite nice to have Jay out, Samuel, James and Paul from PCT Suspension. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and guess what? I'll do another one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.